In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a category and add it to a WordPress menu. If you're organizing your WordPress site and want visitors to easily browse specific types of content, creating categories is a great place to start. Categories help group related posts together, and once they're set up, you can also use them in your navigation menu so your site is easier to explore. To begin, go to My Home in WordPress.com. This is your main dashboard area where you can access all of your site settings and content tools. If you're already logged in, this should be your starting point for most website management tasks. Once you're on the dashboard, move your cursor over Posts in the left-hand menu. Hovering here will open the available post-related options. This section is where WordPress lets you manage blog content, including individual posts, tags, and categories. From that menu, click on Categories. This will take you to the category management page, where you can create new categories and view the ones that already exist on your site. If you're setting up a blog structure for the first time, this page is especially useful because it helps you build a clean content system from the beginning. Now, type your category name into the category field. Choose a name that clearly describes the topic of the post you want to group together. For example, you might use categories based on themes, services, news topics, or blog subjects. Keeping category names simple and clear will make things easier both for you and for your visitors. After entering the name, click Add Category. WordPress will create the new category right away, and it will become available for use when you publish or edit posts. This means that from now on, you can assign posts to that category so they stay organized under the right topic. Once your category is created, you are ready for the next part of the process, using it in your WordPress menu so visitors can access that category directly from your site navigation. This is especially helpful if you want to highlight a specific section of your blog or make it easier for people to find related content quickly. A good tip here is to create categories intentionally rather than making too many similar ones. A smaller number of well-named categories usually creates a cleaner user experience and makes your website feel more organized. That's it for this walkthrough. You've now learned how to create a category in WordPress, which is an important first step in organizing your content and preparing it to be added to your site menu.